Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix network issue on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here scroll down to end. You will see transfer or reset iPhone. So click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now I click on reset. So if you want to network issue on iOS, so you will see second option is reset network setting. So click on reset network setting. Enter phone passcode. So again enter phone passcode. So click on reset network setting. So it's just reset network setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix network issue on iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.